Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Swift development on Windows. Swift, a powerful and modern language, is now officially supported on Windows, opening up new possibilities for many developers. You can easily install the Swift toolchain using tools like WinGet or a direct installer. For your coding environment, Visual Studio Code is the go-to choice, offering excellent integration and features to get you started quickly and efficiently. With Swift on Windows, you can build powerful command line tools and high-performance server-side applications. The Swift Package Manager is your central tool for handling dependencies and organizing your projects effectively. Furthermore, the Win SDK module allows direct access to Windows native APIs, enabling deeper system integration for your applications. This expands Swift's utility beyond its traditional platforms. Visual Studio Code truly shines for Swift development on Windows. Its official Swift extension transforms the editor into a powerful IDE, offering features like intelligent code completion and quick navigation. You also get robust debugging support with LLDB and clear error annotations. Plus, it automates common tasks such as building and testing, streamlining your entire workflow. When comparing Swift development environments, Windows provides a strong platform for backend services and command line utilities. However, for building native iOS or Mac OS applications, Xcode on a Mac OS system remains the primary and most integrated solution. Swift on Windows truly empowers developers seeking cross-platform backend solutions, offering flexibility and expanding the language's reach beyond Apple's ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.